Hello, everyone, and welcome. Welcome to week two. Now, in week two, this is where we are really getting into some chemistry content. I guess we got into that a little bit in week one with some significant figures, but now we're really getting into chemistry content. So I'm excited about that. Um, and so here, to find it, you'll access Unit 2, Week 2, or Module 2 folder. I think you've already done that since you're watching this video. And right here, underneath that is the Module 2 Week 2 overview. So this will tell you the different learning activities that are happening during the week, as well as the objectives for the week. So we can check those out. Here are the two objectives for the week, and those are the overall course objectives that they're linked to. And again, if you'd like more information on what these actually are, either you can look them up on the NGSS website. That's the Next Generation Science Standards, because that's what these are from. Or also, I have them in the Start Here folder, the course objectives. So those are the objectives. And over here, down below, these are the different activities. So this week there'll be two discussion boards. One is kind of a opening discussion about keeping a fire burning, what is necessary for that. And then there's a closing discussion, sort of reflecting on some of the material from the week. Also during the week, we've got a lab. Now, since this is online, you won't be actually doing the lab, but very close to that is the next best thing. So basically what I did was I took a lab that would have been done in person and sort of created it online, and to replace the actual experiment, there's video clips of these different tasks being done, and you can see the measurements. So that's how you get the data, but it's pretty close to as if it were in real life or in person. So it's very close to that. Um, and what else? So we've got notes. So introduction to energy. So the main topic of this week two is energy transformations, just an introduction to energy. So these notes will be about what is energy, how do we measure it, what are some things that energy can do or not do. And then there's a worksheet over here about pendulums, which is related to understanding energy transformations. And lastly, there's an assessment. So this is a quiz that will test your knowledge on these introduction to energy topics. So that's pretty much it for the week. You can see all the different activities here, discussion. There's another activity here looking at food labels and how that conveys information about energy contents of foods. So these are things that we'll be doing together on Zoom during our regularly scheduled Zoom meetings. So in general, if you're not sure how to do something, um, you would go onto Zoom during those times, and I will answer questions. I will walk you through it. So you're not just on your own. It's us doing this together, or me supporting you and being able to do these things. So um, I think the Zoom meeting should help with a lot of these things. All right, well, I think that's all I was going to say about that. So I'll see you on Zoom during the week.